Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share my favorite coffee maker. It is by Moccamaster. I'm enjoying the coffee made in this brewer. It is easy to use. The assembly of this brewer is very easy. What I had to do was only put this arm on this rubber catcher, and that's it. And I'm ready to use the coffee maker. The box also includes a spoon and an instruction book. It is really very easy to use because it has only two buttons. One is for power on and off, and the other is for the hot plate. That's here to keep it warm. So it's low and high, and that's about it. It brews the coffee in about, I say, 5 to 6 minutes. It's quick. They have given this table in the instruction book where they tell you water volume and grams and Moccamaster 2 tablespoons scoop. But I prefer using the weighing machine for measuring the coffee because that gives a better brewed coffee. I've used the scoop also, but weighing it gives a better profile of the coffee. This is the water reservoir, and we need to put cold water in this one, and then this is the copper body, and the water gets heated up to 200 Fahrenheit, and then it goes up in here and sprays out from this side into the filter to filter the coffee. And then we have these buttons to keep the coffee warm, high or low. I am thoroughly enjoying the coffee because it keeps the coffee warm. So now I'm going to use number 4 coffee filters from Moccamaster. This goes in here, and I'm going to pour 27.5 grams of coffee. It's grounded. This goes here. I'm going to pour cold water in this reservoir, around 4 cups. Turn it on. And it just started to heat up, and you can see the bubbles inside. So the water is going through the heater. I have tried many coffee makers, but this is the one I like the most. I've used it for some time, and that is the reason I'm sharing it with you, because I really like the coffee which is brewed in this one. So there you have it, the coffee is ready.